Hi guys, good morning. Today's topic is particularly interesting to me and hopefully to everyone because it's about speaking confidently. You know what? I actually prepared for this video by not preparing. Precisely because the topic is about speaking confidently. And in order for us to be able to apply this daily, and obviously, we cannot practice daily. Then it's about relaxing, as if you're just playing basketball, and putting out your natural self. But nevertheless, I'd like to share three things. Three things. Obviously, unprepared. Three things that an ordinary person or someone like me, like us, like everyone, uh, that we can follow for us to be able to speak confidently. Number one, relax, guys. Speaking is not about being perfect, because no one is perfect. So it's just about putting out your natural self. So the number one rule, or the first rule, would be your appearance. It doesn't mean that you need to be uh, good looking, although that counts. But just be clean and whatever available clothes that you have to be aware that when you go out in the field, at work, wherever you are, have that, I always say it, the billionaire's mindset, to show the best in you. It doesn't have to be designer clothing or clothes that are expensive, but try to have something that you can showcase. Put in your best self, your best smile, and your daily rigor in terms of exercising, eating healthy food, will actually make you a better looking person. So appearance is number one. Number two is your brilliance. This is where your expertise would come in. Let's say you are someone who sells donuts. you you have a bakery and you sell donut. So you don't need rocket science to be able to explain to a customer how delicious your donut is. As long as you are aware of what the product is, and you have sincerity in telling your customers that this donut is very delicious, and you put in a lot of love making that donut. So it can be applied in any situation. So if you are a teacher, be the best teacher that you can. Definitely attend workshops, uh, get a mentor, and read books, etc. Because people will definitely listen to you, and it will give you that sense of confidence when you are very relaxed, again very relaxed, and when you are natural in explaining or talking about the subject matter that you are an expert on. And the third one, and I think this is the most important, is charisma. This is where your natural self would come in. Because people will actually detect when someone is sincere or not. That's why in this particular video, there's no need for a preparation because definitely charisma cannot be prepared, guys. It's either you have it or you don't have it. So it's really important that you probably meditate, be a forgiving person, so that you will develop that kind of compassion, and people will see that. People would like to listen to people who are uh, charismatic. Uh, there's a lot of ordinary people who are very charismatic. You can be a vendor, and when you talk to your customers, you are actually talking from the heart, and you are actually giving the best possible product and service that you can. I remember my mom when she had a store, and she would sell instant coffee. Sometimes she would volunteer actually uh, to prepare coffee for her customers without extra charge, because for her it is providing her that kind of happiness when she provides that kind of quality product and service to her customers. So, and that's charisma, guys. You cannot practice that. So just follow those three things that I mentioned to you, and people will listen to you. You will be confident. No need to prepare because it has to be natural. All right.